Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious sopes de tinga. These are so delicious. I love sopes and I love tinga, so for me this is a perfect combination. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I'm going to add them to the pot. And now I'm going to add water until the chicken is completely covered. Next, I'm going to add half of a small white onion, 4 garlic cloves, and salt and pepper to taste. We set the pot to medium-high heat. Now we cover it up and cook for about 40 minutes. While it's cooking, make sure to remove any foam that forms on top. It's been 40 minutes and I'm gonna check on the chicken. Okay, our chicken looks ready. Perfect. I'm now gonna throw in 1 tomato because this is what we're gonna use for our salsa. Cover it up and cook for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and I'm gonna turn off the stove. I'm gonna remove the tomato and add it to the blender. And we're also gonna add some of the broth. About this much. We're also gonna remove the chicken and let it cool off before shredding it. I'm also gonna add 3 garlic cloves, some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and you can add as many as you like depending how spicy you want the tinga. I'm gonna be adding 3. And 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And now we blend. Now we're gonna start shredding the chicken, and I like to remove the skin. I also like to use thighs better because I feel that the meat is juicier than breast. After all the chicken is shredded, we're gonna start working on our tinga. I've set my pan on medium heat and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna add 1 small onion and also the chicken. And we're gonna fry until golden. It's been about 5 minutes and now we're gonna add the salsa. We mix it all in, and this is the perfect time to check to see if you need more chicken bouillon. For me, this is just right. And we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and I'm gonna turn it off. Now it's time to prepare our masa. For the sopes, I'm gonna be using 2 cups of masa and 1.5 cups of water. And we mix it. Masa is ready and this is how it should look. And now we're gonna prepare our sopes. To make the sopes, I grab about this much, roll it into a little ball, and then you slowly start shaping it with your hands. Or if you'd like, it's much easier to do it in the prensa, and just like this. Now you put it on the skillet, and I've set my skillet to low-medium heat. Do the same for the rest of the masa. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side. This one is now ready, and this is how it should look. And now I'm gonna take it out. So now I'm gonna pinch the sopes. This is how I do it. I pinch them on the edge, just like that, all around. And you gotta be careful because they're still warm. So make sure you don't burn yourself. And just like that, you also pinch a little bit in the middle. And this is how they should look. And you do the same for the rest of the sopes. I've set my pan with oil on low-medium heat and I'm gonna start frying them. I'm gonna fry them on each side for about a minute or until they have a nice crispy golden color. Okay, these are ready. And we keep doing the same for the rest. Now it's time to prepare our sopes. I'm gonna start off by adding some refried beans. These beans, honestly, they are the best. Next, we're adding the tinga. We add some lettuce, a little bit of sour cream, and last, some cotija cheese. And there you have it, delicious sopes de tinga. All right, guys, moment of truth. But if you know me, you know, like, can you tell this is my favorite salsa? No había más chiquitas, pero I finished them really fast anyway, so. My mouth is watering. And honestly, Tapatio should sponsor me. Cheers. Super rico. And my cameraman is hungry too. Delicioso. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.